Hey, what I'm trying to figure out is, man, why you so worried about me, man? How's that your business, you heard me? Why you be asking me all these questions? Why you wanna know? Huh?
Rick and that is on the beat.
Why you be asking all them questions? Why you be asking all them questions? Hey, 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 why you be asking about my girl? Why you be asking about my car? Why you asking about my job? Since you're asking, hell no. Why you be all up in my business? Why you don't never mind your own? Why you be asking about my crib? Why you be asking about my phone? Why you be asking about my fam? Why you be asking about my team? Why you be asking about my mic? Why you be asking about my dreams? Why you be asking about my social? Why you be asking about my dreams? Why you be asking me about these murders? Cause I don't know a thing. Why you be asking me about that club life? Cause I don't even do that. Why you be asking me about the struggle? If you ain't even been through that, why you be asking about my count? Why you be whispering to your friends? Why you be flossing all your money? Know you gon' be broke by Wednesday. Tell me why you don't keep it real. Tell me why these niggas hate. Tell me why your girl ain't loyal. Tell me why these niggas fake. Tell me why you all on Instagram but ain't even got no job. Tell me why you keep it on you, but last week you got robbed. Why you be asking all them questions? Why you be asking all them questions? Hey, 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 why you be asking all them questions?
Why you waxing all them questions?
Why you be asking all them questions?
What the fuck I look like Trick? How the fuck I get it? Where the fuck I'm spending it? Little nigga, mind your business. But I always wanna know, head killed the pussy and you seem curious. And no pun intended, lil' homie, I'm serious. Niggas be worried about the wrong thing at the wrong time. And if you ain't getting paid for clocking me, you got the wrong grind. Oh, you in the wrong line. Fuck niggas are that way. To me, that's how you design. Just take the stairway, then place yourself amongst your kind. To that bullshit, I am hellin' blind. You can't cash shade with the weather's fine. Show can't dim none is meant to shine, but I become a mind when it come to courses. MC Hammer when it come to touching. Mike Tyson when it come to bustin'. Keep the line when it come to bustin'. Hit combustion. These niggas be playing like the bad percussion. See, niggas don't understand tryna make something out of nothing. Can get you a baked muffin or a head concussion. Nigga, check your sources. A nigga tell you harder than welding torches. Goons going harder than project porches. I bet you think twice before asking questions.
Why you be asking all them questions? Why you be asking all them questions? Hey, 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 why you be asking all them questions? Hey,